Well, it's time to set out another bale. Had to lock the old Jimmy down in four-wheel drive. Ain't much snow, but what there is slick as heck on top. We got to cut the strings off this bale. He's moving into 706. Go feed the mama cows before we go to our evening Christmas program at the in-laws church. Well, dang. We gotta get out there and open the gate for a young man. He's on his way, girls. Yes, I know. That dang old shed. See where she's coming down. Kind of worrisome, man. Anyway, we got to undo our gate. Lay her on the ground. There he is. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing, girl? Yeah. Hey, little mama. Yeah, I know. I know. Good enough, boy. Alright. That one lone Jersey, she was a survivor from a mama that died that we bought for a possible milker, and then she's committed suicide. So, that little old heifer's been a survivor. She's bred for spring calf now. So, anyway, old cow there, he's getting a bale of hay fed. We can get on with the festivities of the evening. Pick up my gate off the ground. I'll come get you. Yeah. All right, hook this mother back up. Damn, it's tight now. How in the world? Well, hell. Looks like he's got her back to the barn. Get her parked and put away for the night. Now we need to go feed some hogs. We don't have a lot, just some, I think 3 feeder pigs and a big one we're going to butcher. So can't afford to have a lot around anymore with the price of corn, which is good for grain farmers, but tough for livestock guys. The input costs, as many of you know, are so dang high on the grain, we can't hardly afford to raise it and feed it either. Used to be cheaper to raise your own grain than put it through your livestock. Not so much anymore. It's kind of a more of a good feeling more than anything to have your own meat right on your farm, because you don't know what the heck's going to come out there in the world. Here it comes. What you got here, Hank? Hey, puppy dog. What a knucklehead. Hey, knucklehead. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? You silly dog. Well, gotta pop up this old garage door. We went to get some buckets. Yep. We got to gather a little bit of grain to feed some hogs. We just got a mix of pellets and cracked corn. Hey, piggy, pig. Little pigs are always scared. What are you doing? They're hiding in. Oh no, here they are. They're hiding in their bed. They're out here in the middle of the pen. Get her in under the roof so it doesn't rain in it. Not that it's gonna rain anytime soon, but if I leave feed sitting outside, it probably will. Your little stink pots, look at him go. That little fella there is even growing a little bit. Yeah. They're waiting for him to get out of the way so they can get in there and eat. That one ain't gonna wait though. He's right in there. Yeah. They'll just jump right in there. Yeah. Ice chunks. Yeah, it'll be alright.
There we go. Okay guys, go back in.
And get back in where it's halfway out of the wind. Oh man, too dang cold out here. Hey hound dog, what are you doing in there? Alright, now we gotta go out there and feed the old butcher hog. I'm telling you. Burr howdy. Burr howdy.
Oh, listen, Hank Jr.
Yeah. Oh, Hank. Look at that board in there. Well, here we go. Kid. Alright. Hey, move your gigantic head. Here. See a little bit of that. I'll get a little of that. I'll dump it in there. Trick you on that one, old boy. Alright, time to get in out of this crap. As far as the rest of you, stay warm and we'll see you later.